guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed for you guys the things that I've been using lately. I know it's been a really long time since I posted anything makeup related, so I thought let me sit down and film something. And also if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. I'll start out with my makeup. I'm going to take Laura Mercier foundation primer, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my face. So I'm also going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the YSL Couture Bra Slim in the shade 5. MAC Concealer in NC30 Studio Finish Concealer. And yeah, mine got broken when I went to Ethiopia. The little plasticky part fell off. Morphe brush, and this is just a flat brush. On my lid, I'm gonna put the rest on my lid so I can use it for a base. And I'm gonna take a beauty blender and blend this out. So next, I'm going to be taking the Kylie Jenner palette, and this one is the Burgundy palette, a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just take this brown orange shade, and my NARS foundation in the shade Aruba. I'm going to be taking the YSL foundation stick, and so I just decided to just get a contour stick. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my face a little bit. It's nothing like too dark, you know, it's just a little something something. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out. Eyebrow gel, it's like baby Anastasia eyebrow gel. I have the big one, I just like using the baby one. I'm gonna put that. Guys, the sun is gone. This is why I should have gotten up and filmed earlier. But anyways, with the bronzer. Heat Wave. I'm going to be taking Heat Wave by Estee Lauder. Yeah, it's just basically a gold shade. So mine actually shattered when I was in the hotel in Ethiopia. My everything like broke when I was there, man. But yeah, this is the only bit I have left of it. But I'll get a new one soon. So that. Right on my cuticle brow. Right. Sorry guys, the lighting is much better. Look at the highlight. Can't forget the nose. set my makeup with the YSL setting spray. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Dear Show. This Orgasm Blush brush. For my lip color, I'm going to be taking this Lancome Blush Pop. So yeah, I got this in a gift purchase as well. This is the baby little lipstick.